Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can copy and paste in the Neo browser. In order to do so, here we are at neobrowser.ai. And if you are unfamiliar with copying and pasting, well, you're in the right place. And if you have already downloaded the Neo browser and you're not sure how to copy and paste, well, I'll make it easy for you. So here we have a piece of text. We're just going to highlight that and we're going to right click it, and you are going to see here that it says copy. So we can copy that, but you'll also see here that it says Control C. So if you ever highlight a piece of text and you press Control C on your keyboard, then you have just copied. And then if we want to paste that, I'll just go up here. Then if we right click, first off, if we highlight and then we right click, then you'll see here where it says paste, and you'll see that it says Control V. So this is another shortcut. You can just click this if you want, but if you want to learn the shortcut, then all you have to do is just press Control V, and there you go. We have successfully copied and pasted. This is pretty much a universal concept, so pretty much anything you can do it in, you can do it in Neo browser as well. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business and offers tailored insights to help you and your business succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist where we talk all about Sintra and tell you how to get the most out of it. And if you click on the link in the description, you can get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, check out Simply Financial. If you're looking for an online bank, you can get $50 if you click on the link in the link tree and open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.